stupid.
A few moments later.
Hey, what happened?
Hey Chen, I got something to ask you. Hey Chen, I just experienced an earthquake with only 4.0 magnitude. Why is it so serious?
It's okay. I'll teach you how powerful is a 4.0 magnitude earthquake. Let's look at here.
To measure the earthquake, we must use the Richter scale. The Richter scale measures earthquake magnitude using a logarithmic formula, which is R equals to log to the bracket of I over IO. Here, I is the measured intensity or amplitude of the seismic waves, and IO is a reference intensity. This formula shows that the magnitude is based on how many times larger the earthquake's waves are compared to the smallest detectable wave. Right now, let's look at the blue color words. It says +1 magnitude equals to 10 times of amplitude. I'm sure that you might not know what does this mean, but let me explain this to you right now. For instance, let us take magnitude 4 earthquake to compare with magnitude 5 earthquake. If the magnitude of the earthquake is 4, we can substitute it into our Richter formula, which the 4 represents R. And right now, we can move the log to here, and we will get the value of I over IO equals to 10 to the power of 4. Now, if we take the earthquake with magnitude 5 and repeat the calculation steps, we will get I over IO equals to 10 to the power of 5, which is 10 times greater than the magnitude 4 earthquake. Since the scale is logarithmic, each increase of 1 on the Richter scale means the earthquake's waves are 10 times larger in amplitude, which is a very huge difference than we think. In conclusion, even though an earthquake may seem small in magnitude, it should never be ignored. Even low magnitude quakes can damage weak structures. That's why it is important to always stay alert and take quick action to protect ourselves and others. Earthquakes cannot be prevented, but becoming a victim can often be avoided if we stay prepared.
Did you get it?
Oh, I get it. Thank you, Chen.
No problem, bro.